Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Today I am going to tell you on how much time I can solve my Rubik's Cube. This is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube and I am just going to solve it and I am going to tell you the time. My father has shuffled this and you can see that's completely shuffled. So now my time starts now. See, I am done. This is completely solved and I am going to show you the time. I hope you can see it. If you are not able to see it, so I'm just going to tell you it's 1 minute and 21 seconds. So in this much time I finished solving my 3x3. So this was all for today's video. Bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay home.